Hey guys, John from J&J Auto Wrecking here with a test video for LLCE379, our 1990 Chevrolet Caprice. Picked this car up at the local insurance auction. We actually knew the previous owner. It was a donk in a former life. Used to run around town with some big old 24-inch wheels on it. Not really sure what happened to it, but it was at the local salvage auction with some Iroc wheels on it. So we went ahead and picked it up. She's got a 350 under the hood, powered by, or backed with the 200 R4 transmission, I believe. Oh, 305, I am sorry, this is a 305. 305, we're going to be selling this motor as a dropout with the rear-wheel drive transmission. I believe it's a 700 R4. Yeah, I don't know my late ones. I don't think it's a 200 car. Pretty sure it's a 700 car, but running very well. The car does have a Mako paint job, so any body panels you guys see on this are going to have to be resprayed, but it's in very good condition, minus this little, yeah. Moving along to the rear of the car though, we've got a late model rear end in very good condition. Taillights, filler panels, and bumper are all going to be for sale. Same deal with the nose of the car. Let's get to that really fast. We're going to have a nice loaded header panel for sale with the late front end. The front bumper is in very good condition. I don't see any chrome issues. A little bit of splitting right here, but other than that, she looks good. The hood is in nice shape as well. Go ahead and check out the interior on this one. Cloth car, but very, very good late model B-body cloth interior. Door panels are in excellent condition. Rear seats, I'll leave that stain up to your imagination. We have no idea what that is. Now is my favorite part of the test video, guys. We're going to test the drivetrain, and it's been brought to my attention that I have not done a proper burnout in here for a while, so we've got the fans going, we've got the computers covered. I'm going to send this thing, so let's see what she does. All right, 62,393 miles. We're out of gas. Oh, but she sounds good. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission. We've got reverse. Let's see what drive does. Oh! Well, guys, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. That's going to wrap up the test video. Well, wait a minute. Oh. Guys, give me life, give me life. It's, oh. We got some things happening under the hood here. Maybe. Come on. What's going on? All right, I'm gonna end the test video here. We'll give her one more shot, but I don't think we've got anything. Guys, an ounce of preparedness would have been great, but hey, it's J&J Auto Wrecking, we don't roll that way. That's gonna wrap it up for LLCE379, our Chevrolet Caprice, not a burnout test video. Stay tuned though, we're gonna get this thing to do a burnout and we'll throw it up online. Thanks for watching, guys, and we're out.